Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook, right? So let's go into the Facebook mobile application here, and here you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. In the iOS you will see in the bottom right side corner, right? And after that we have to go to the setting icon, just click on the setting, and after that you have to scroll a little bit, and after that you will not able to see here. You have to just go to the here setting and privacy, and after that click on the setting, and here you will find it. And if you're not able to find it, you have to do one thing, just go on the search bar, and here you have to type active status and just click on this, and here you can see show who when you are active. So if you'll just click on, if you'll just on, then everybody will come to know you when you came active and you when gone deactive, right? So just turn it off, and this is the way you can just do it, right? So this is how you can do it. So guys, this is it. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.